Are you unable to download your NISM Series 8 study material? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can download your workbook in just a few minutes. If you are preparing for the NISM Series 8 Equity Derivatives exam, then the official study material provided by NISM is the most important resource. So let's see how you can download it easily. First, open your browser and go to www.nism.ac.in. Link is in the description. Once the website will open, click on Study Material. A new window will appear. Scroll down a little. You will see a form. Fill in your basic details like name, email ID, your contact number, address. After filling all the details, click on the Proceed button. Now, a new page will open. Here, find and select NISM Series 8 Equity Derivatives exam. You will see the option to view or download the workbook. Click on the Download button and your study material will be saved on your device. Important tip: downloading the workbook is just the first step. If you want to clear the exam in your first attempt, you must revise regularly. Practice mock tests. Solve previous exam questions. For complete preparation, you can visit our website www.nismexams.in. There you will get latest mock tests, short revision notes, video lectures, step-by-step guidance. Link is in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more NISM exam guidance.